decided that I hit up you. We talked for a little while, asked me if I could roll through. Met up, got food, and we spent time till the night was through. Can I call you my own, and can I call you my lover? Call you my one and only girl. Can I call you my everything? Call you my baby. You're the only one who runs my world. I remember this night we had outside on the grass, us two. We were gazing at the stars, I smiled as my eyes only turned towards you.
So I'm out of my 2 daytime skincare products. This is my favorite daytime toner. This is the Herbivore Jasmine Green Tea Toner. And then this is the Ursa Mayer Vitamin C Serum. This is the only vitamin C serum that doesn't give me redness or bumps.
You're my one and only girl. Can I call you my everything? Call you my baby.
I am about to head to the gym in my apartment, and I haven't stepped foot inside a gym in forever. You guys know that I like going to workout classes like Pilates and yoga, but just decided to go to the gym today, and I'm gonna go with Sung, so hopefully it'll be more productive. It's so gloomy today. You can't even see the Empire State Building because of the fog. That was actually a really good workout, and my butt is so sore. It definitely helped that Sung was with me so that we can do all the workouts together. But today on the agenda is my friend Phoebe's 30th birthday. She made reservations at a restaurant in Chelsea. She's actually one of my closest friends who I've known for over 20 years, ever since we were like in elementary school. So I'm very excited to celebrate her today. And actually before that, my friend Christina's supposed to come over so that we can go to the birthday party together. And it's her first time seeing the apartment, so I'm excited to have her over as well. So I'm gonna finish eating my breakfast and then do my makeup so that I'm all ready by the time Christina's here.
I would have brought flowers or something, but I had to take a cab because I'm thinking of that.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You be like heaven and such. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Caught in the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
Hello guys, I'm back in New York City. As you can see, it's been a very busy couple of days just adjusting back to New York time. I've also been very busy with work, but finally it's the weekend and I can just take a breather. My trip to Asia was very fun, especially the Korea part because I got to see my grandma, but honestly it was a little bit tiring because I was on my own, so I'm just very happy to be home. The weather in New York though has been pretty depressing. It's been very cloudy and rainy, but finally today we have some sun, so we're just gonna step out and enjoy the weather and grab some lunch. And we are literally going to Sorimara again. I feel like every time I vlog I go there, but I am just so addicted to it. It's kind of bad because it's not that good for you. Also got a pair of Gentle Monster sunglasses while I was in Korea. I actually bought this on impulse at the duty-free shop at the airport. So I got a little discount and I feel like they're just the perfect everyday shades. And Gentle Monster is like the only brand that looks good for my face shape. And it's the perfect day to wear these today because it is sunny. So let's head out and get some malatang. We're wearing the worst color for malatang.
I know. Always like.
I've been starving all day today. We ordered a new dish to try today, which is the pork obaro.
Down in the crown, a king and a queen royally bound. Yeah, both called it from the beginning. Called it. Knew that the right to be nice. Knew that the right to be nice. We do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. The fuss and the fights will keep and trust. And you make me wanna say,
Let's try it. I didn't get any cheese. Oh.
Yesterday, every day, it's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out.
So when I was in Korea, I went to this cafe in Yeonnam-dong called Butter and Shelter, and I had the best butter cookies. The cafe was really cute and they had a lot of good-looking desserts. Like these were their cookies, they had some cakes, but the butter cookies look like this. I know this isn't the best picture, but this is a scone that I got, and this is the famous cookie. And they're actually known for these cookies. It's basically 2 butter cookies with like a buttercream in the middle, and they keep it refrigerated so it's nice and cold. I ate one at the cafe and it was so good that I bought a couple more on my way out to share with my mom and grandma. But I've been craving this ever since I got back, so I'm gonna attempt to make it at home today. I was actually on YouTube and I found a recipe by Cooking Tree. I love her videos, they're just so relaxing, and a lot of times they help me fall asleep, so I would watch it before bed. Basically 4 flavors of sand cookies, but I'm just gonna make one flavor, just a plain butter one. So hopefully they turn out pretty similar to the ones I had in Korea because I went to Whole Foods and bought all the ingredients I needed. So let's see how they turn out.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel.
Now I gotta wait for the dough to chill, so I have to refrigerate it for 1 hour. And I'm just gonna go take a shower and find something to do.
Songs make me glad to call you mine, and you have got my head in the clouds. Oh.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Oh my god, I smell the butter from the bathroom already. Okay, so it definitely did not bake evenly and some of them are borderline burnt. But I think I can work with some of these.
Morning I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.